This second video is showing you the strength of the current as the boat sails north downstream, but we're turning the boat very slowly to show you the current looking upriver against the light. We're slowing down slightly here because another pleasure boat is racing a rapid, and you can see how fast we're drifting by looking. If I hold the camera steady against the rock, you can see how fast we're drifting, and that meant Brunel's boat had to be pulled by a team of Egyptians against the mighty current caused by the squeezing of the river. The First Cataract. Authors mention it, but they don't provide the detail, and anybody without any geographical knowledge isn't going to fully appreciate why Brunel had to change boats. But if I can just hold the camera still against these rocks, you can see how fast we're drifting, and this is against the northwest wind, which has been prominent daily. And you can see this boat sailing, making very fast headway as it's being driven by the increased flow of water caused by the squeezing of the river between these narrow positioned rocks, and the turbulence created by the speeding of the water plus the uneven riverbed, which is of granite boulders. And look at the undercurrent here causing this rippling effect on the surface of the water, as Brunel would have returned to Aswan, where he picked up his dahabiya to return to Cairo.